Have you ever walked into a small apartment and immediately thought it felt expensive? Not bigger, not newer, not necessarily located in a luxury building, just expensive. The interesting thing is that luxury apartments rarely feel luxurious because of square footage alone. Some of the most expensive apartments in cities like New York, London, Paris, Tokyo are actually quite small. Yet they still feel elevated, intentional, and incredibly comfortable. That's because luxury isn't usually about having more space. It's about how the space is designed and experienced. If you start paying attention to high end apartments, you'll notice the same patterns appearing over and over again. And the good news is that most of them have nothing to do with major renovations. Here are seven things luxury apartments almost always have, even when they're surprisingly small. Number one, layered lighting. This may be the biggest difference between an ordinary apartment and one that feels high end. Most apartments rely almost entirely on ceiling lights. You flip one switch, the entire room lights up, and that's it. Luxury apartments almost never work that way. Instead, they use layers of light. There might be a floor lamp creating a warm glow in one corner, a table lamp on a console, or under cabinet lighting in the kitchen. The goal isn't simply brightness, the goal is atmosphere. When light comes from multiple sources at different heights, a room instantly feels more sophisticated. It creates depth and visual interest that overhead lighting alone can never achieve. This is one reason under cabinet lighting has become so popular. Even a basic rental kitchen suddenly feels custom built when warm light washes across the countertop every evening. Number two, intentional negative space. One of the biggest myths in decorating is that luxury means adding more. More furniture, more accessories, more decor. In reality, luxury apartments often contain less stuff than average apartments. Designers call this negative space. It's the empty space around objects. Luxury interiors allow furniture and decor to breathe. Instead of filling every shelf, countertop, and wall, they leave room for the eye to rest. That's why expensive apartments often feel calm. Nothing is competing for attention. A single beautiful vase on a console table often looks more expensive than a collection of crowded accessories. The same applies to kitchen counters, coffee tables, and bookshelves. Creating negative space costs absolutely nothing, yet it instantly makes a room feel more intentional. Number three, hidden storage. One trend dominating upscale apartments right now is invisible storage. Luxury spaces work hard to hide clutter. Instead of seeing charging cables, cleaning supplies, pet accessories, and random household items, those things disappear behind doors, inside baskets, or within furniture designed for storage. This is why storage ottomans, lift top coffee tables, and storage benches have become so popular. The goal isn't simply organization, it's visual calm. When your brain isn't constantly processing clutter, the entire apartment feels more refined. Even very small apartments can feel dramatically more expensive when everyday items have designated hidden homes. Number four, one high end focal point. Luxury apartments rarely try to make everything special. Instead, they emphasize one standout feature. Maybe it's a beautiful oversized mirror. Maybe it's a statement light fixture. Maybe it's a large piece of artwork or an elegant accent chair. The focal point becomes the thing your eye notices first. Everything else supports it. People tend to remember standout moments. They don't remember 20 average items. If you're decorating on a budget, focus on one piece that feels genuinely special instead of trying to upgrade everything at once. Number 5, cohesive materials and finishes. Luxury apartments are surprisingly disciplined about materials. You won't usually see multiple wood tones competing with several metal finishes and unrelated color palettes. Instead, everything feels connected. The woods complement each other, the metals repeat throughout the apartment, the fabrics share a similar mood. The result feels curated instead of random. A simple example is repeating one finish throughout a room. Whether it's brass, champagne gold, matte black, or brushed nickel, repeating it in lighting, hardware, frames, and accessories creates a much more expensive look. Number 6, texture everywhere. Luxury apartments understand something many people overlook. Texture creates richness. In fact, texture often matters more than color. Imagine a room filled with warm creams, soft whites, and neutral tones. Without texture, it might feel flat. But add linen curtains, woven baskets, velvet pillows, natural wood, ceramic pottery, and a textured rug, and suddenly the room feels layered and expensive. High-end designers constantly use texture to create depth. That's why luxury apartments often photograph so beautifully. Even when the color palette is simple, the materials create visual interest from every angle. Number 7, hotel level comfort. The final luxury isn't visual at all, it's comfort. The best luxury apartments make everyday life feel easier. The sofa is comfortable. The bedding feels amazing. The lighting is warm at night. The towels are soft. The apartment works for the person living there. Many people focus entirely on appearance while ignoring comfort. Luxury apartments prioritize both. Because true luxury isn't about impressing guests, it's about enjoying your home every single day. That's why you'll often find blackout curtains, shower filters, air purifiers, high quality bedding, and smart home automation in upscale apartments. They improve the experience of living there. So, the next time you walk into an apartment that feels expensive, pay attention to what's actually creating that feeling. You'll probably notice layered lighting, negative space, hidden storage, a strong focal point, cohesive finishes, texture, and comfort. None of these require more square footage. Most don't require renovation. They're simply design choices that make a home feel more intentional, more comfortable, and more elevated. If you enjoy this video, subscribe to Lovely Living for more renter-friendly upgrades, small space design ideas, and luxury-inspired apartment transformations. Sometimes the smartest upgrades aren't the biggest ones. They're the details that completely change how a home feels.